Stand-up comedy in India is at a place where YouTube views are. They are in the same place. Wherever YouTube views and ticket sales meet, that is where stand-up comedy is. And everything else is just underground. And people say this word underground to sound cool and all. It's not cool. There's no need to glamorize it. It's just that those shows are unnoticed. So it's like comics don't exist as long as they are viral on YouTube. But then I think that's the goal that everyone has. They want to get out of this, 8 people at a show, 10 people at a show thing. But the vision of comedy is way more glamorous to the outside world than the truth.
Hi, I'm Karan, a filmmaker based in Bombay. Over the last 5 years, I worked with quite a few stand-up artists on a bunch of projects. It was during this time I realized that there's a lot more to these artists than just the jokes we know them for. And that's exactly what I'm trying to bring across. The other side.
So I was just, at the gym right now because that's what people do who are free in the afternoon. And जिसको फालतू टाइम है मेरे जैसे और फिर लोग बोलते हैं वाह तेरी कमिटमेंट है. कमिटमेंट कुछ नहीं, फ्री टाइम है. इट्स अ लग्जरी. आई वर्क आउट मोस्टली. आई वर्क आउट फॉर लाइक नाउ आई एम वर्किंग आउट फॉर 1.5-2 hours a day. And I reach gigs early by an hour and a half, and I write these days because I'm working on my next YouTube video, and I think that's become a goal of everyone who cannot do 1 hour regularly. We just take the 10 best minutes we have and we try to make it better for the next YouTube video because it gives a sense of direction. Because if we do longer sets and try to make them better, like 30-45 minutes and all, we don't get to do long sets very often if we don't get to do solos. So the material suffers because if you do only 10-minute sets and you do 10 at a time, then if you stop doing one chunk, then it becomes weak and so on. Then what will you put on YouTube? Now everything is YouTube centric. Stand-up is being made for YouTube only because we all want our own audience. So we reach early. A lot of people do this. They reach gigs early. They write. They work on the same 10 minutes over and over again, and then they put out the next video, and we all like bounce stuff off each other, and that does take time. Louis C.K., Bill Burr, Norm Macdonald, Chris Rock, and Conan O'Brien. These are my favorites. And I thought about this for a very long time. Who are the 5? Baki India, a lot of like people who started with me are like really funny. I mean, and like Upmanyu, Vipul. I love Vipul stuff. Gaurav is just like spontaneously funny. So there are Pavitra is really funny. So there are like good comics everywhere. I mean, I put out a lot of stuff on Instagram, so I am very vulnerable over there because it's very like the character on Instagram is very narcissistic. So I get away with saying a lot of things that people usually don't acknowledge. People don't acknowledge the fact that they haven't hit it big and all. People just tell their friends stuff like that. कि यार मेरा next video कभी viral जाने वाला है and all that. But I'm putting it in the open. Baki, and that's as far as I want people to know. Baki, the personal shit about like deeper personal shit, I'm not at that stage. Like I'm not comfortable enough sharing. I just make fun of the fact that nobody shows up to watch us all the time. It helps me like cope with that because I've been around for so long that if I don't make fun of it, then I can start taking it too seriously, and I don't want to do that. Because when people do that, like if they take these things seriously and they take it personally, they don't realize कि abroad comics को 15 साल लगता है like breakout करने को, if ever 10,000 comics compete कर रहे हैं. Or there was this comic on Joe Rogan a couple of days ago, Roy Wood Jr. He was talking about कि 10 years he did manual labor in the afternoon and रात को वो show करता था. So हम लोग तो बहुत privileged है यहाँ पे 3-3, 4-4 साल में लोग चले जाते हैं वायरल. तो गुस्सा होने का तो स्कोप मुझे नहीं नजर आता है किधर भी. कि अगर मुझे अभी 7.5 साल हो गया और कोई मतलब 7.5 साल हमारे सीन में लोग देख के बोलते हैं, oh my god, 7.5 साल में how did you not break out? But as compared to what? As compared to the Indian scene you're talking about, ना? तुम दुनिया में तो देखो ना stand-up की trajectory क्या है. We are all like super privileged, and I'm always aware of that privilege. And people who are not aware of the privilege of doing stand-up in our country, they are the ones, they become, they make all these anonymous accounts and they troll people and all. It's a complete waste of energy. And everything is overproduced these days. Like everything is like, oh my god, it's in 4K from like 4 angles and all. But what उसमें लोग बोल क्या रहे हैं वो इतना मैटर नहीं करता है. They are just like अरे बकचोदी कर लेंगे. But where is the honesty or like the I'm not saying कि मैं कोई बहुत great level पे पहुंचा हूँ क्योंकि देखते ही 500 लोग हैं. But you know what I mean? So I'm like I'd rather be more because there is nothing to lose वाला perspective. कि if I say something over the top or really like the character is very narcissistic, if I say something over the top, what is the worst that is going to happen? People are not buying tickets and they will continue to not buy tickets. I don't lose anything. The very least is I get to get an outlet. So historically, comics have all been docs. They've always looked like, they never looked good. That doesn't mean anything. That doesn't mean that good-looking guys can't be funny. That's an insecure perspective. But we are all taught to look at comics in a certain light. कि ये चोमू दिखेगा तो funny होएगा. But Hasan Minhaj is really prim and proper. So and he's also very opinionated. He's very he gets outraged a lot at things. So I find that funny. Because from my perspective, things are going well for you in life.
Yeah.
So why are you angry? But it's a very narrow-minded perspective because of course he must have his own share of experiences. So it's just that यार कि मतलब कोई comedian इतना perfect कैसे हो सकता है? वो दिखता भी अच्छा है, बात भी अच्छे से करता है, गुस्सा भी हो रहा है, तो सब कुछ उसके तरफ से कैसे जा रहा है लाइफ में? So you feel like mocking it and you realize it doesn't make sense. Then you mock yourself for mocking him because why should he not be able to? लोग देख रहे हैं वो कर रहा है तो तुम्हारी खुद की insecurity है ना मतलब. I don't have the patience to read. I listen to a lot of podcasts and if I really want to listen to a book, I listen to it on audiobook so that I can keep shopping at the same time on my phone and something is going on in the background because I'm a very ADD. No, I'm not saying that I'm really my attention span is rubbish like most of our generation. So yeah, the last book I read was 12 Rules for Life by Jordan Peterson. I think he's a very inspirational guy. I mean, he's really caused a lot of change in my life. All this attitude of, all this awareness of privilege and all, it comes from listening to people like that. I shop a lot now. That's a very deep reason that I have realized recently. It's not deep. It's deeply fucked up. It's not deep. Is that when you shop for something, you have things on their way to you. Right? When you order something is coming towards you. That makes you feel acknowledged. Everybody wants to feel that somebody, they don't want to feel like they don't exist. If somebody is working to make things happen for you without you moving an inch, that means you exist. And that is why I shop a lot. And I think shopping addiction is not unique to me. It is a generational thing. A lot of people in our generation have this. Whoever they are, I think they are compensating for lack of human connection by making people do things for them. This is the easiest way to make someone do something for you is shop online. So you have a sense of मतलब मेरे लिए मेरी किसी को पड़ी है. Which is not healthy. You should get that from your interpersonal relationships. So whenever I have a good phase, if I have a few good dates or I am with somebody who, I have good conversation with, then I actually automatically do it less. But when I feel like yaar pakra hai, just boredom, then I do it more. If I have no friends around me or, people are busy, then I do it more on weekdays and stuff. So it's very weird. I don't know if someone will be that honest about why they shop, but it is, if anyone who's addicted to shopping online, it's not about spending a lot of money. It's about the act of shopping. Hoga 200 rupees ka hi kuch. Everyone has the sense of competition inside them. And my sense of competition and productivity is now being fulfilled by lifting more and more weights every month and improving my stand-up and working. So meko wo urge chala gaya game karne ka. I feel very unproductive when I game. Weirdly enough, the last time I played a game was when I was performing on the cruise. Because I knew I was getting paid for 5 days of stand-up in a row. So my life has meaning now. So now I can game. Now I'm not a complete waste. Even though I perform stand-up almost daily now. But there I was getting paid a lot of money. So we all judge ourselves by how much money we are making. Right? Not lots. But you know what I mean? 5 days of stand-up is कि हाँ मतलब मुझे 5 दिन के लिए किसी ने sponsor किया यहाँ पे आने के लिए तो मैं games खेल सकता हूँ. पर अगर मैं घर पे हूँ और मेरे को तो फिर नहीं यार फिर तो मैं लूजर हूँ अगर मैं गेम कर रहा हूँ. मेरे को डेडलिफ्ट करने का है 350 pound. I don't know if anybody cares about that, but I want to deadlift 350 pounds.
Nice.
It's the same principle, although that you keep going back and you increase it by a little bit, and you take precautions, you warm up. It's the same. Comedy set and a bodybuilding set or a weightlifting set is the same thing. When people say good set at the end of it, you kind of get the same feeling because you did it properly till the end. Your technique was correct. You completed the task, etc., etc. So I want my deadlift and my stand-up to improve at the same rate. लोगों stand-up comedy के scene से ये हटाना है कि it is for people who are middle class and above, middle class, upper middle class, यू नो सिर्फ उनके लिए एंट्री आसान है कॉमेडी में, ये हम लोग को चेंज करना है. ये जो ओपन माइक में पैसा देके परफॉर्म करना पड़ता है एंड ऑल, किसी को सोल्यूशन नहीं पता. ये क्लासिज्म हटाना है कॉमेडी से. इट्स नॉट बाय डिजाइन, इट्स जस्ट बाय एक्सीडेंट, बट इट शुडंट बी देयर बिकॉज द वॉइसेस इन कॉमेडी बिकम लिमिटेड. वी नीड वॉइसेस फ्रॉम प्लेसेस दैट वी हैव, एंड सिटी वाइज ऑल्सो. 4-5 शहरों में ही हो रहा है ना कॉमेडी, कहाँ 6 शहरों में. बिकॉज अभी बहुत वही वॉइसेस आ रहे हैं, मतलब अर्बन वॉइसेस सुनने में ओवरलैप भी हो रहे हैं लोगों की बातें. Like I'm very conscious about not sounding like someone else. I don't sound like someone else stylistically because I started very long ago, so I have had time to develop my style. A lot of new comics sound like comics they look up to. But also मुझे लगता है कि material 10 साल या 15 साल से ज़्यादा relevant रहे ना, which is also narcissistic to think that people will watch you after that long. But dude, digital है ना, free है ना देखने में. Eventually तो मुझे लगता है dating material जो मैं करता हूँ ना, dating से related और you know बेस्ट फ्रेंड और ये सब इंटरपर्सनल रिलेशनशिप्स पे मैं थोड़ा ज्यादा फोकस करता हूँ ना. आई फील दोज थिंग्स डोंट, द डायनामिक्स ऑफ दोज विल रिमेन द सेम नो मैटर हाउ मच टेक्नोलॉजी चेंजेस और व्हाटएवर. लाइक मतलब रैप इज डेफिनेटली माय फेवरेट फॉर्म ऑफ म्यूजिक. एंड आई मीन आई लिसन टू Jay-Z, Kanye, Kendrick and J. Cole the most. But Jay-Z is like my biggest inspiration because firstly तो he has had a fire for 20 years. मतलब he has been relevant for that long because his quality of work has held up for that long. No matter how great an artist is, there is a period of 8 years, 10 years where they have some kind of anger, something to prove, whatever. मतलब Beatles type लोग भी, मतलब they are still great, but they had a phase. Jay-Z transcended that. You cannot be that great for 20 years, plus be a businessman who's now a first hip-hop billionaire, who is an inspiration to people of his community. मतलब उसने एक चीज नहीं की, उसने 2 चीजें की. He's a great businessman, he's a great rapper. Not only is he a great rapper, he's been good for 20 years as an artist. So if you only had his artistic abilities, then also you would be a great man. उसके ऊपर से business ability. फिर Beyonce से शादी. No, okay, so that's not an achievement. That's just his personal thing. But that guy is an inspiration to anybody.